And I want all of the bloggers them out there use my content and push it out. Because we are going to expose the ugly beasts of them. Kingston 13. Oh God. Kingston 13. Oh my Lord. Thank you for being a loyal one. Kingston 13. Thank you for being a loyal one. Uno go back to Psalms 35. Cause me come over here to make the enemies them know. And a plenty enemy me have, you know. The enemy them coming out so much farm. Me no want nobody think me a true no word, but me a talk about the plenty enemies and the legions them. The 9 shades of the puss them will come. Hold on there. Make her wrap me turban properly. Plead my cause, oh Lord, with those who strive with me. Fight against those that fight against me. Hey, hey. I keep silent long enough. I keep silent long enough. And I go still keep silent. Because my God tell me, say, sit down, Andre. Sit down. You're not going to get in on no bagger. You're not going to get in on a fight and no war and no rumors of war. So all who believed I was going to take the low road with them. Remember, me have a medication with Dr. Nesbitt tell me to fill. So when you come and tell me about this and call up on which doctor, my doctor make sure it's no which for my medication there. And when me forget it, see it there. Me have my medication ready. You know much night me there since Edda dead. And me ball. Me not ball no more. No more crying, no more crying, no more crying. Yes. All who did say my friend. All who did say them in distance and want to see Andre grow and be grateful and be Marcus Garvey greater than Marcus Garvey. All who come in a how much different farm in the shade of puss. In the shade of octopus. Who come as cat, mouse, rat, anything when you come as. I say you are the great Marcus Garvey and you should be great again. Me I go say this too. No? Let them be confounded and put to shame who seek after my soul. And I don't come over here to be in an argument with them. I will never respond to them. I will never give them a highlight. Because there are many, it's not one of them alone who was doing the organization of making me look bad over the past few weeks. It was a legion, a systematic legion. It was not one. It was not one of them. It was not one. So all who get paid off, all who take who for money fi come try mash me up. Yes, man. Only think me no know. Hey, hey. Only think me no know so only get pay off. Alright. All who get pay off fi come mash up Andrew and fi cancel Andre Stevens. All who come after my reputation and release voice note. I want tell you this, you know. You will be put to shame. You not go put to shame. Me sit down in that chair here almost 2 years now and build myself. Never touch me money out of YouTube. I save it. The little Ncel wanna send me use that and share that. And when people call me and ask me for help, Andre Stevens help enough people in a private. I wanna mash me up, but I go and set this stone, you know. I go and sit down. I go and sit down and I go and rest it. I don't want back no money. Keep the 3.5 million. You're deserving of it. For the blood, sweat, and tears that you work every night smoking and puffing away. You are deserving of it. You did want 50%. You were only deserving of not 50 nor 30. But because of the goodness of my heart, I decided to say to you all, let it be. And lawsuits upon lawsuits should come, but I'm not taking any lawsuits with you all. Let it be. Go. Start up your greatness. Start in your greatness and go in bountifulness. I wish you and bless you. I wish you and bless you bountifully. You remember the story of Job? Even if they had taken away everything, you can't take away my praise. You can't take away my Lord. You can't take away my praise. And you can't take away my Lord. And you cannot take away Andre Stevens. Because I am who I am. I am a child of God. And because I am a child of God, I was told, sit down. I go and sit down, you know. I'm not in any fight with you all. I'm sitting down. I sat down weeks now. Release all the voice notes that you want to release on Andre Stevens. I give the permission to release them. But remember, I am not cancelled and I will never be cancelled by Jamaica and the diaspora. My followers are all waiting on me, not you people. They are waiting on Andre Stevens, not a producer, not a junior producer, not an editor. They're not waiting on none of you. You know who they're waiting on? Andre Stevens, son of Andrew Theodore Stevens and Althea Ann MacLeod Christie. So all who come in like Crick Crack Monkey, Helen from Crick Crack Monkey, you must watch the movie Crick Crack and see how they form in the different forms, thinking they can be an Andre Stevens. My followers not waiting on you. You are easy to be replaced. Ask the followers who they're waiting on. For the month and odd I've been off social media, who are they waiting on? When on a post, not even 10 people liking it, you know. Not even 10 people talking about it. Think about it, no man. Think about it. But you want it to be in competition. You want it to cancel. And I want to say something to you all tonight. It's a deception. Make sure my story remind you all of having close friends to you. They were all close to me. They were all close. They know everything about me. And there were agreements. Andre, when you don't feel comfortable about what people saying to you, record it. And we will save it and put it in the Dropbox. Remember how many times I said to you, if anything happened to me in Jamaica, I'm okay because they're in certain areas of the world that the YouTube channel can go on. But they used it to tear me down rather than if something happens to me. So, for the dancehall queen voice note, Carleen, just context. I should have told Carleen that I'm going to record this conversation. I never did. But it was never my intention to release Carleen's voice. Just as how many people talk to me and I doctor the voices so that we can get the discussion out. That was the plan. But other people who have evil intentions decide, say, we're going to cancel our boy, we're going to done him. It is wrong. But because people have their hidden motives, and because they were all paid off, why you think I can't come back on YouTube? I have to form a new YouTube channel. I have to form a new YouTube channel. And not some 90,000 strong will have to come back to me through a new YouTube channel. People are evil and people are wicked. So I'm going to go back to the basics of life. And I'm now going to announce for the rest of the year, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock or 9:30, I'll be back on Facebook to do my classes. Do you understand, Jamaica and the diaspora? So they will release more voice notes on me talking to people. Be prepared for them. Laugh at them. But I want the voice notes to be released. You know why? Because I want nothing to be held on me. Release all that you have on me. Because I'm unafraid and I'm unashamed. So for those who don't have Facebook, tell the followers, just find me on Facebook. I don't have a technical team right now. I wish not to have a technical team. I wish not to have a producer. I wish not. All of that will carry me through trauma. I am not interested in getting a producer or doing it. I'm going back to the basics of life, where I come and I sit in front of you all and I talk for the night. Not even music. Not even music. And if you stand with me, if you believe in me, if you believe in me, Jamaica, let them know you are here to stand with me. So I've started my garden and my farm to help me recover from all of those treacherous, evil people. The voice note you heard about me cursing the member of parliament was a discussion. She called me Judas. I'm going to release all of the voice. Let me give context to all of the voice notes. The voice note you heard of me cursing Kerencia Morrison. She did some evil things to me and called me a Judas. And sent me several WhatsApp messages disrespecting me. And I responded. I responded to the Member of Parliament in North Eastern St. Catherine, Kerencia Morrison. And they came on social media to make it sound as though I disrespect women. They go as far as the voice note I sent only to my mother came out on social media. A mother hurt a son, and I'm not going to get into the details of the amount of pain my mother has put me through for the 32 years she has carried me on this land. And they doctored that voice note. They never released the 30 minutes voice note. They only released the part where I was cursing the expletives and telling her such things. That is how evil they are, and their producers. They went as far with the dancehall Queen Carleen thing. They went as far as spoke about Everald Warmington. Mr. Warmington, yes, ejaculated on me when I was a youth. Carried me to his house. Tried, I was there to write a speech, and the speech turned out Jamaica to him trying to seduce me, to sleep with me. And I never indulged. He took off his clothes and started to jerk off and ejaculated on my foot. That created trauma for me for years, Jamaica. And when I went to Juliet Holness and told Mrs. Holness what happened, you don't want to hear what Mrs. Holness told me, Jamaica. So when I say to you all, when you see me smiling, please don't tear me down. I went to write a speech for him. And it turned out that he wanted to seduce me, to sleep with me, like the many other boys and young men he has seduced at Old Stony Hill Road. I was one of the very few who he couldn't sleep with. That's my truth. I own my truth. I tell my truth. Release the voice notes. Release all of the voice notes you have. Release them. I will tell Jamaica the story of how they go, because it is my story. It is not your story. You were only a producer, and I rose you up from an ordinary commoner to somebody who could have listened on some cause of prominence, of politicians who spoke to me and told me things, and people who have spoken to me in confidence and asked me to doctor the things before I release them. And you swore to protect me even if I go down dead. And what did you do? You turn around the story just to the voice note that I sent to you about your nastiness and your vitriol and your hate. Look how much voice notes you have where you disrespect me. Ask Mama Janet. Ask Mama Janet why you ever hear Mama Janet pray for me and him. Mama Janet pray for me and him, because every time him disrespect me and blackmail me, Mama Janet is the one who said, can't make me pray for the two of you. You never wonder why Mama Janet pray for the part that you are not mash up. Ask Mama Janet how much bad word she hear come out of her mouth. When the Queen Africa video do, And Queen Africa disrespect me and me said to him the night, oh, you see all of them something here go on. And you never protect me as my producer. The amount of tara. And oh, you gonna expose me. I know him gonna do this and we will do that. I never know where to come from. So like how you talk, how you do interview, all you Jamaica Carlos. You Jamaica Carlos. Jamaica Carlos is one of the biggest hypocrite. Because when them call you Jamaica Carlos for take the 10,000 US dollar for change your program. Yes, Jamaica Carlos, you Jamaica Carlos, when the labor right them call you, so them gonna give you the 10,000 US every month. You know want me start talk and expose them? You know want me start talk and expose them? I go start talk and expose every ugly evil in this country. And when you done, you go on like you know burn out. Not found the blogger collect labor right money on that table. Not found the blogger get silent and stop because now I get pay off. Well, me not get no 10,000 US from Jamaica Labour Party. Enough of them bloggers here, we used to burn out labor right and burn out government. Una see them start change. Una see them get busy now. I drive taxi and can't do live again. Because enough of them get the 10,000. At 10,000. You know want them know, you know want know how much them offer me? Go ask me farmer producer how much them offer me. For change my program and I never take a sellout. Jamaica Carlos, how much you sell out for? Can you want fame and fortune? Are ready for talk? Jamaica Carlos, tell Jamaica how much them sell out for. Remember you call me and tell me say them call you. It's not me to tell you. It's you call me and tell me Jamaica Carlos say the labor right them call you. And them offer you 10,000 US dollar every month. I never me talk Jamaica Carlos, and you call my phone and yes, I have the recording, Jamaica Carlos. I did record it too because I know you was never honest. I have the recording when you take about bro, and then you go do Donkey Lady song. Jamaica Carlos use a epitome of disgrace and hypocrisy. Dr. Love get called to and Dr. Love never take the money. Father Epic get called and Father Epic not take the money. Judas them! Judas them! Judas! Judas them! Judas! 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 Judas to the bay. Judas! Take 10,000 US every month. Think we don't know? Think we don't know Jamaica call us? Tell them what Florida and Miami are call you or give the money. Tell them. We don't have no moral rectitude and no moral fiber for join this a fight. I can hold on and sell out. Judas! So when currency and money, Morris never call me Judas. And Jamaica call us a one of them. Jamaica Carlos, you can't, a long time I never like you, you know. Why you think when you come on my program, it take you off? Because you is nothing but a filth. Nothing but a filth and garbage. Dr. Love never take the money, and Father Epic don't take the money. Other people don't take the money. My view and certain talk your mind don't take no money. Me go tell you who don't take the money and who take money. Cause enough of them start change up. Enough of them start change up. Mind my blood pressure good. You know, see me just take my medication then. At what time now? Oh, me have a little bit more time. Yes, we have a little bit more time. Take 10,000 US that I never me talk it, me have your pan tape. I tape your Jamaica Carlos because I never trust you. And the same boy where you interview, yes, the same one. Say, Andre, make we use it pan them and get rid of them. Make we use it and expose them. We alone some never take the money either. We alone some never take the money. Me can't tell you, say, I believe, based on how Jamaica Carlos a move now, I would be surprised if when he must take the money. But, Jamaica Carlos, you see you, call me back and you see, man, I go expose you to the ugliest truth, but Dre. You know, so the man come from Miami and this and that and talk about 10,000 US. But me never do this, you know. Me say, what the man name, you can't give me the man name, because you know you did sign up to it. No, you sign up to it. And when you don't know, come and talk about, so the same person where you are, they pan live or interview, they plan to cancel you too. You never know. But because the whole on now in a nest and things say, Carlos, nobody not like watch you, you know, because when you talk, we don't. Nothing name good content. I hear your blog and me not say that. Pay garbage your blog. Pay garbage. Popeyes, thank you for not take no sell out either. Popeyes Newsly. Popeyes never take no sell out. Sir P not take no sell out. Talk your mind not take no sell out. Dr. Love not take no sell out. Father Epic not take no sell out. The rest of them me not sure, but enough of them get offered 10,000 US a month time for the next 24 months. Just for change the narrative against the JLP. Yes. 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 No, how much I know depend on the live now? Because I love when I have 5,000, 8,000 people that listen to me at night time, you know. My students, they must come back to class. A 1 month in a straight, no come back right to class. Yes. Yes. When you see me attack, yes, man. Down to the Philip Palwell saga with this baby mother we kill the little picnic. You know, so that baby mother they would lay out or whatsoever, she should be publicly tortured.